Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to lock font in MS Word. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, let's open Microsoft Word first. Okay, now click on the text and go on this review tab on top. Click on it, select the text. After going on it, click over here on restrict editing. Check this box. Allow only this type of editing in the document under editing restrictions. Okay, now check this box, everyone, and click on yes, start enforcing protection. Okay, you can also put password here. This is optional. So I'm going to put a password. That's it. That's it for the video. That's how you can lock font in your MS Word. Thanks for watching.